The last month of the year is here and I just found 10 products that you absolutely want to sell right now if you want to actually make some money with your dropshipping business. I've been able to generate close to $10 million in revenue with my own dropshipping stores over the past 4 years. And unlike most gurus, I'm actually still in the game myself. As you can see, yesterday we did 8.5K on this single store that I have, and we run about 5 stores in total. And I'm not showing you guys this to brag or anything, I'm just showing it so you know that the information that I'll be sharing is actually relevant. I will show you guys exactly what kind of products I usually sell, so you can just take these products and start selling them yourself. And if you make money with these, then just know that you owe me for life. Also, there is a sheet linked below for free for you guys with all the product information, the links, the cost of goods, the prices, all of that stuff linked below. As always, I am making it as easy as I can for you guys. So Q4 and more particularly December is absolutely the easiest time of the year to find winning products in. That's why I'm not focusing on any particular niche, I'm just looking at anything that I think could sell right now. So let me just show you what I found. Product number 1 is the HD dashcam. This is a super handy product to have because most cars don't have dashcams at all. But the reason I chose to sell this right now is because in December we have 2 holidays. We have Christmas and we have New Year's Eve. Now during both of these holidays, car accidents go way up worldwide. People are drunk driving or driving tired, whatever the case may be, car accidents are always up in December. So if you can use this fear as an angle, this product will sell like crazy. You can, for example, say, always stay safe and insured, especially during the holidays. And then in your ad or in your landing page, you can show a little statistic showing that there's more car accidents in December. This product will cost you around $19 on AliExpress and you can easily sell this for $49.95, leaving you with a juicy profit margin of $31. That's absolutely a massive margin. Moving on to product number 2, we have the foam cleaner. This is literally always a winning product for somebody. As you can see by this video, it supposedly makes cleaning anything super easy and effortless. But the reason I would sell this right now is again because of the timing. You could use an angle like cleaning up after your Christmas party now only takes 5 minutes. An angle like that will immediately trigger emotions in a lot of people because cleaning up after the Christmas party is actually the only thing that makes Christmas parties unenjoyable for a lot of people. Well, not anymore. This product is extremely cheap to source on AliExpress and I would suggest you to sell this with a buy one get one free offer. So 2 pieces will probably cost you around $7 to $8 and then you can sell it for $29.95, which will leave you with a profit margin of $22. Product number 3 are the warm winter tights. They went absolutely viral last year, so they should work this year again, at least if you use a good angle. These panties are just like normal see-through panties, but these ones have fleece lining into them, which makes them warm. Women can now wear skirts and shorts even in the freezing winter temperatures. You could use an angle like look stunning during the holidays without freezing, or don't compromise on fashion because it's cold. A lot of angles to play with. And because there are 1,000 videos already on Facebook ad library, Minia, Afterlip, whatever tool you use, it's gonna be super easy to make a lot of good creatives for this product. The cost of goods are about $5 and you can easily sell this for $29.95, leaving you with a profit margin of $25. It would also be smart to offer a buy one get one free deal because it just makes a lot of sense for this product. For product number 4, we have the Indestructible Smartwatch. If you've watched my Q4 strategy video, you already know why it is a good idea to sell smartwatches right now during Q4. But let me explain again for those who didn't watch that video. During Q4, big advertisers such as Samsung or Apple spend millions of dollars on ads for electronics because people buy a lot of gifts during this time. Now, because of that, you can tap into their marketing for free by also selling a smartwatch. All you need to do is say that your smartwatch can do as much or even more than an Apple Watch and offer it for a cheaper price. This is literally free advertising because everyone is already primed to buy a smartwatch. If we look at this watch in particular, it's supposedly an indestructible smartwatch, which is of course a very unique angle. And because outdoor people would use a smartwatch a lot, this would be the smartwatch of their choice. This product costs $26.40 on AliExpress and can easily be sold for $69.95 or even more. This will leave you with a profit margin of $43, which will allow you to scale massively. Product number 5 is this car coating spray. As you can see by this video, this spray will coat your car with some Chinese magical chemicals, which will stop your car from getting dirty. So even in the rain or in the snow, your car will stay completely clean. Right now, because it's winter, of course it snows and rains a lot more than in any other season. That's why it's great to sell this product right now. And secondly, going to the car wash while it's cold outside just sucks so hard as well. But you can use the following angle. For example, keep your car snow free, which is an amazing angle because people can save time in the morning by not having a snow-covered car, or stop washing your car every single week. This will of course resonate like magic with your customers because they can save money and time again, so they will just throw your money at you. The product costs around $7 on AliExpress and you can easily sell this for $29.95, leaving you with a profit margin of $23. Now, even more important than finding a good product, guys, is having an all-around good dropshipping strategy. Obviously, you don't want to test out these products on TikTok organic or some other bullshit strategy. You want to run these products on Facebook ads, of course, and instead of using Shopify, you want to use an app to create sales funnels such as Funnelish. Luckily for you, I have an entire course on how to do dropshipping the right way. This course, by the way, is completely free. You can just click the link below and sign up right now. I say this because I really want to make sure that you're testing these products out the right way, or else you're just throwing money away. So check out the course. Again, it's free, and let's move on to the next product. Product number 6 are sleeping patches. Obviously, anything that will help you to fall asleep faster will sell, but instead of taking potentially harmful sleeping pills, these patches contain only natural ingredients. You can easily sell this with an angle like sleep like a baby every single night, or stop taking dangerous sleeping pills. The problem that this product solves is absolutely massive in and of itself, so you don't even need a special angle to make it work. It is also extremely cheap. On AliExpress, it only costs you around $5 for an entire box, which you can easily sell for $24.95, leaving you with a profit margin of $20. But I would highly recommend you sell this product in bundle deals. You can set the bundles to 1 month of good sleep, 2 months of good sleep, or 3 months of good sleep, and increase the prices accordingly. You can make a lot of money with this product. Product number 7 is the portable microscope. When I was young, I would have absolutely loved to get this as a gift. As you can see, it's a portable microscope, as the name suggests, and kids can use it anywhere. It also takes kids away from their phones and gaming consoles, which is something that parents are craving for. Of course, as you guys all know, it is gifting season, so this product has a very high chance of working for you. You can sell it with the angle, the best gift for Christmas, or no more phone addiction after this. The product itself is also super cheap to source. It costs only $5 on AliExpress, and you can easily sell this for $29.95, leaving you with a profit margin of $25 again. Product 8 is this heated jacket. I remember a couple of years ago when I first saw this product, I thought, who the hell would buy this? Then I tested it and it worked like crazy. So this is the heated jacket, and as the name suggests, it's a jacket that heats itself. It's been one of our yearly winning products in the winter in almost all the markets that we sell it in. With the press of a button, your jacket heats up and you never have to feel cold again. Such a stupid product when you think about it, but hey, it sells. Of course, the easiest angle to use for this product could be never feel the cold again, or stay warm and fashionable, even though it's not fashionable at all. The cost of goods for this product are around $15, and you could sell this for $39.95 or even more depending on how clean you make your funnel look. You would have a nice profit margin of $25. Product number 9 are these sticky LED strips. As you can see, these LED light strips have a motion sensor on them, so you can stick them anywhere in your house, and whenever you walk past them, they will light up. Super convenient, especially if you, for example, have to go to the toilet at night. You can stick them right near your bed and you don't even have to turn on the light. It's also a perfect gift for Christmas, especially for those home improvement moms. I wouldn't overthink the angle for this product because I feel like the video says it all. And you can find this product on AliExpress for $8 for the reasonably sized strip, and I would sell it for around $29.95. This gives you a profit margin of $22. Again, this is the perfect product to sell in bundle deals such as 1 strip, 2 strips, or 5 strips. So come up with a nice offer so you can really make the most out of this product. Product number 10, the last product product of today's list are the reusable adhesive eyelashes. This is again one of these products that just always sells, but again the timing is absolutely perfect. You got Christmas and New Year's Eve coming up, and when is there a better time to have insanely long eyelashes? So the difference between these and then normal fake eyelashes is that these are reusable. You can wash them over and over again. They stick right to your eyelid without needing any glue, so that's nice, I guess. A good angle would be the most seductive eyelashes. Or no more hours wasted in the bathroom. These lashes take just 30 seconds to apply. There are many great angles to play with actually. The cost of goods for this product are around $5 on AliExpress, which is the absolute minimum. And you can easily sell this for $25, leaving you with a profit margin of $20. Now again, please make it easy on yourself and test these products out as fast as you can, but do it the right way. So check out my free dropshipping course, as it is literally the most up-to-date dropshipping strategy in the entire industry. And if you're really serious about making money with dropshipping and you want my personal help, I've recently opened up some one-on-one mentorship spots where I help you set up your dropshipping business from scratch in 3 months and make some real money with you. This mentorship is not cheap, and I'm very selective of who I let in. So if you are serious, and only then, you can book in a call via the link below and we will chat one-on-one and we will determine together if you are a good fit for this program. Bye.